Alrighty, here we have Norfolk Southern V18 eastbound here in Suffolk. Just finished work in Suffolk, had to drop off 4 HOTBOX cars. He just confirmed with dispatch he's now got the clear and he will proceed east. He's coming on Main 2 tonight because he had to diverge to drop the cars off. So you're used to seeing him on Main 1. He will be on Main 2 tonight. And he is going a little bit slow, and V07 will be waiting on the other side to proceed west as this guy will come on.
Train's coming.
I got it, Barry. Thank you. I don't know what's going on, but man, he is moving pretty slow. A one-unit wonder! A one-unit wonder! Yeah! 8076, yeah! Yes! Yes! Thank you! 8076! One-unit wonder! Woo! With a very nice NSV18, all right! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Had a UP Chilled Express reefer on the train as well. All right! Lots of bare tables on the V18. This is very unusual. Go, man! Go! 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 So we will watch ES44AC 8076 as he will lead the V18-16 all by himself as he will continue east. Yeah, he's pitched up to at least 45 by now. He's not wasting time. And here comes the end of it. And here comes the end of it. Woohoo! Oh yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. A nice V18. V18-16 with a lonely ES44AC leading the train. With a friendly crew on there with a really, really nice horn show. But anyway, there he goes zipping along the track. Anyway, there he goes. Thanks for watching, guys.